So here inside my computer, we're going to install this Windows 11. We're going to install to Windows 11. So we're going to click this one, run. So here's the raw push here. So you're going to select the ISO. So for me, I already download the ISO on this computer. I have here the application and the operating system. So here's the Windows 11, here's the operating system, and here's the Windows 11. So here's the ISO of my Windows. Okay, it's already there. So this one, you just use the raw post because this one is the file of Windows 7, 8.1 and 10. So this one is a file of Windows 11. Start, then okay. So they're going to creating the folder. Okay, and then they're going to install it again. So we have to wait. I'm going to pass forward this picture here so that we can go to the next. Okay, finish now. So we're going to remove this one. So let's check if it is okay. So as you can see here, just only I think from 32 GB. The space is just only 28. So I think it's 4 GB from 32. So we're going to remove this one, and then we're going to install the Windows 11. So let's see if it is working. So we're going to close. Safety remove now. So we're going to install this one to the laptop. Let's see. So we're going to install the Windows 11 using this plus drive. So as you can see here, we're going to boot up. So it says that we cannot install the Windows on this PC. My laptop did not meet the requirement, so I just found out that I have another solution to fix this problem. Download the problem we're going to fix. So this Windows 7 tool, so you are going to download this one. After you download this one, you are going to extract. As you can see here, I have a 7-zip to extract this file. So just extract this one here. After you extract, you can find this one. After you are going to find, don't worry, I just put the link of this file in the description below. You can download the file of this, and then you are going to install if you are interested to install the Windows 11. So you're going to copy this appraiserres.dll. So you can copy that one, and then you're going to put here, open the source, find the sources, this one. After you open the source, and then you are going to paste it here, then replace it. So that's it, and then you can install the Windows 11. So after that, you can open your flash drive in here. This is my Windows 11 file. So you will not go to the BIOS anymore. You just open this USB flash drive and then click this setup here. Right click and then open. After that, you will open and then it will come out like this. So this is now the Windows 11, as you can see here. Let's check. So as you can see here, Windows 11 Pro. So I did not check this much the picture of this. See here the themes, the color. So as you can see here, you can change the color. This one, as you can see here, color red, color yellow, but I like the color green. Okay, this is, and also the themes, the background of this Windows 11, as you can see here. So this is also the themes background, save themes, color. So there's so many, not so many, just only this one, but you can download more themes. And this is also the icon, so just the same. Windows 11 Pro, it's 64-bit. If you have any comment, suggestion, or you need to help to install your Windows 11, so this is my storage, you can see here. So that's it, guys. If you have any comment or suggestion, just comment down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.